If Facebook videos keep playing automatically and you want to stop that from happening, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook in just a few quick steps. This is a great setting to change if you want to save data, reduce distractions, or just have more control over what starts playing on your screen. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, log into Facebook on your desktop browser. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens up your account menu where you'll find a few important options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click Settings. This takes you into your main Facebook settings page where you can change lots of different preferences for your account. Now, on the left side of the settings screen, look for Media and click it. This section controls how videos and media behave on Facebook, so this is exactly where we need to be. Once you're in the media settings, look for the autoplay option. You should see a setting that controls whether videos automatically start playing as you scroll. Click the autoplay setting and then select off. As soon as you choose off, Facebook will stop autoplaying videos for you, which means videos will no longer start on their own while you're browsing. This is especially useful if you're on a limited data plan, using a slower connection, or simply want a quieter Facebook experience. And that's it. You've successfully turned off autoplay videos on Facebook. If you want, you can always come back to the same media settings page later and turn autoplay back on again. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one.